Evening chores just finished watering. Crush is here. Pugsley's here. Ray's here. The naughty chickens are all out. Except for the broody one who I just pushed off her nest, but there's no eggs under there. They're all waiting for me to put food out. Alright. Crush is gonna go get FIXED on Thursday. Tell me if you spell things in front of the cats, they don't know what you're talking about. There's a trap neuter release program, and he's a stray cat, so we're gonna do that, and then he won't be looking for the girlies. Right, Crush? Pretty kitty.